If you're tired of the number system and you feel stuck, this is probably why. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to break the mode and get unstuck, and how to play the number system to your fullest potential so you can play in any key with no problem and make it happen. Listen, the first thing you do is you think of shapes, okay? Think of everything in shapes. So I look at the C major scale as all flat, okay? And then when I look at the C sharp major scale, I look at it as I'm on a plateau, and then I dip and I come back up. So it's like, that's the shape. It's almost like a cursive N. And then I see this shape right here. It's kind of like a flat plateau, and then it dips again. So if I'm looking at the whole C sharp major scale, I'm seeing it as one big shape. Okay. And then the same thing with the E flat major scale. So I see the E flat major scale as a W. So that it's like a U. So E flat, and then it dips to F, G, and then goes to A. And then with B flat, with the second half of the E flat major scale, it's like another U. So B flat dips down to C, D, and then E flat. So I see E flat major scale as a W. Okay. So look at everything in shapes. That's going to really, really help you. So here's another thing. What's going to help you get unstuck is you have to practice your transposition. What do I mean by that? I don't care how simple you got to start. I don't care if you got to get all the way down to not even playing chords. You're just playing melodies. Play those melodies in every key. So let's say we'll start with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. And let's do that in C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Go to D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then if you can do a little more than that, then let's go chords. Let's play 1, 2, 3, 4 in C sharp. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 in D. And then if you can play certain songs, let's say you can play He's Able in the key of C. So 1. So I like to look at my numbers with my left hand. So I play 1, 5, 6, 4. 1, 5, 6, 4. And then you played 1, 5, 6, 4 in C sharp. 1, 5, 6, 4, and play the chords that go with it. 1, 5, 6, 4. And in the key of D, you do the same thing. 1, 5, 6, 4. So 1, 5, 6, 4. Okay, let's skip to F. 1, 5, 6, 4. So 1, 5, 6, 4, and so forth and so on. So like I said in previous videos, learning those major chords, learning the major scales, learning the minor chords, and learning the number system chords in terms of where they go is what's going to help you. But listen, do not overcomplicate the numbers. Don't overcomplicate the numbers. Here's what I mean. Keep it as simple as possible. So we know we want to play a 4, 6, 5 in the key of C. 4, 6, 5. So when I look at the numbers, I'm mainly looking at my left hand. And when I go to C sharp, 4, 6, 5. And so when you look at number system chords, you're basically matching them up with the actual numbers in terms of the bass notes. And then what's going to happen is Don't overcomplicate the numbers. Start simple. If you're playing more advanced chords, that's fine, but you may need to come back down and just kind of simplify things really quick so you can move forward. So don't overcomplicate the numbers. We're not going to go past 7. When we say 8, I'm just saying that to complete a statement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in the real world, real music world, we're only going to say 1. So technically, we're not going to go past 7. So don't overcomplicate it. A lot of chord progressions are going to be 4, 6, 5, especially in gospel. 4, 6, 5, 2, 5, 1, 6, 4, 1, 5. Stuff like that. So don't overcomplicate the numbers. Keep it nice and simple. And listen, one thing that's going to get you unstuck is doing ear training. And let me show you the best way to do ear training. When you're doing your ear training, I want you to do it 2 ways. Just starting off. One, your left hand, I want you to sing the tones of the scale. And what I mean by that is that your 1 through 7, sing those notes. So we're in the key of C. 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5. Keep singing those over and over. 6, 4, 1, 5. Come up if you need to. 6, 4, 1, 5. And then 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Okay. So do that, and then on the top end, play different melodies. So sing the melodies first, and then find them with your ear. Like, so I'm still in the key of C. And then another one. And just sing melodies over and over and find those melodies. And then on the left hand, you sing the tones. You keep doing that, your ear will grow. I'm telling you.